Hello children, are you taking healthy food? Today I am going to explain about ordering of numbers. We can arrange numbers in increasing order and also decreasing order. Increasing order also called as ascending order. And decreasing order also called as descending order. Today I am going to explain about ascending order. What is ascending order, children? Once watch this video.
Tommy the dog saw the bones on the top of the staircase. It climbed up in a hurry to get them. The number of stairs were written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now tell me, which is the smallest number here? It is 1. And which is the greatest number here? 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 7. 9 is greater than 8. And 10 is greater than 9. So, 10 is the greatest number here. Right, children? So, when Tommy went up, he started from the smallest number 1. Then he climbed 2, 3, and finally he climbed up the greatest numbered staircase, that is 10, and reached the bones. So we see Tommy went up from the smallest number to the greatest number. This order of numbering, when we go up from the smallest number to the greatest number, is called ascending order.
Did you observe the video, children? From that video, what we can learn? We can understand that when we arrange a group of numbers from smallest number to biggest number is called ascending order. How can we arrange large numbers in ascending order? I will explain. See children, exercise 1.3, 4th Roman, I am going to explain now. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Here we have the numbers. To arrange these numbers in ascending order, I am taking place value chart. Do you remember children, place value chart? So, I am going to draw the place value chart now. What are the periods we have? We have ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. In ones period, how many places children? 3 places. In thousands period, we have 2 places. In lakhs period, also 2 places. And what are those places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. By using this place value chart, we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now here I am taking number. So the first number, what is this number children? It's 8,12,939. Now I am going to arrange this number in the place value chart according to the places. In the ones place 9, tens place 3, hundreds place 9, thousands place 2, in 10,000s place 1, and in lakhs place 8. Now the second number. 7,37,241. The ones place 1, tens place 4, hundreds place 2, thousands place 7, 10,000s place 3, and in lakhs place 7. Now third number 7,98,147. Again arrange these all in place value chart. In the ones place 7, tens place 4, hundreds place 1, thousands place 8, 10,000s place 9, and in lakhs place 7. Now fourth number 8,92,347. In the ones place 7, in tens place 4, hundreds place 3, thousands place 2, 10,000s place 9, and in lakhs place 8. Now at last number 8,21,120. What is in ones place children? 0. The tens place 2, hundreds place 1, thousands place 1, 10,000s place 2, and in lakhs place 8. I hope till here you understood. What we did children? We took the numbers and we arranged these all numbers in a place value chart. Now we are going to find which number we have to write first. Means we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So to find which is the smallest number, first we have to find how many digits in the given numbers. If you observe, all numbers consist of 6 number of digits. So we cannot specify which is the smallest and which is the greatest. So go for further checking. What is that? We have to check for first highest place in the given numbers. If you observe children, here the first highest place is lakhs. So here 8, 7, 7, 8, 8. So which is the smallest number? Which number started with 7? That is the smallest number. Here we have the numbers started with 7 are 2. So what we will do? We will go for further checking. That is second highest place, 10,000s place we are going to compare now. So if you observe here it is 3, here it is 9. So which is the smallest digit? 3 is the smallest digit, means this number we have to write the first. Means this is the smallest number. What is this number? It's 7,37,241. The second smallest number is this number. And what is this number? It's 7,98,147. Is it clear? Now the 3 numbers are left. So in these 3 numbers, what number we have to write? Third one. So for that, again check the highest place. Here 8, here 8, and here also 8. So we cannot specify which is the third highest. So go for next highest place, that is 10,000s place. If you observe here, it is 1, here 9, and here 2. Which is the smallest digit children? 1 is the smallest digit, means this number we have to write as third smallest number. Means 8,12,939 is the third smallest number. Now in these 2 numbers, which is the smallest number? So 2 is the smallest digit, means this number is the smallest number. 8,21,120 we have to write as fourth smallest number. And at last what left? So 8,92,347 we will arrange it as fifth number. Is it clear children? Now I am going to write these all numbers in ascending order. So what is the first number? Ascending order. So first number is 7,37,241 is less than 7,98,147 is less than, what is the third number? 8,12,939 is less than, what is the fourth number? 8,21,120 is less than, what is the class number? 8,92,347. Like this, we will arrange the ascending order. I hope you understood well, and we will meet in the next class, children. Thank you.